Hey Ariel, what's up? This is Frank. Thank you for your interest in SEO, and I can tell that you sound like you're a great business owner knowing the value of digital presence. So kudos to you. So let's spend the next few minutes together to go through this, and hopefully by the end that you have a better understanding of how and what Google are looking for a site to be featured on the top. And by being on the top, you will get and you'll see. I'll post some data for you. Okay, so nice bold image and color contrast I get, and it seems like you're doing a lot of work also advertising on Facebook. So I can tell that you're hungry for more customers, which is great. That's always a great motivator. All right, so this is your homepage, and you have some contents here which are great. So let's do a quick analysis together. This is one of the first exercise I do with our business partners is let's find out to see. You're trying to get ranked in Maple Ridge, right? Fraserville. Okay, let's pick anyone. Okay, let's just do Port Coquitlam. You have one there, cleaning. Okay, so we don't have a exact match for cleaning. So the top thing to keep in mind is that Google wants to feature a website that has the answer to what people are searching for. So if people are searching for Maple Ridge carpet cleaning or Maple Ridge cleaning services, Tin Middle cleaning services, you'll need to have that exact phrase on your main page for Google to know, okay, this page has what the people are looking for. If you only feature city name, people will say, okay, this site is about this feature, it talks about the city, but not city plus service. Okay, that's one thing that a lot of people miss, and I would encourage you to include that. Then you'll see some significant improvements. Okay, so content, I would even beef it up to 1,500 words and create a service location for any of these cities, right? Make them clickable. Once you click into it, it's a subpage, Chiliwag cleaning services. Okay, so that's number one, content. Okay, let's look at number two here. If you follow my cursor to the top left hand corner, you'll see that it has a backlinks 10. 10 meaning that there are 10 other websites outside of this domain that's talking about you, and there's a link coming to this website. So there's a hyperlink. It could be maybe a Facebook hyperlink, it could be a YouTube hyperlink. We don't know at this point, but essentially the more quality backlinks that you have, the higher you will rank. Okay, let's do a case study. Okay, so I'm going to do Coquitlam cleaning services. Probably had a type in there, but let's see. Okay, so Coquitlam cleaning services, Aspen Clean comes up on top. Okay, let's just reverse engineer. Let's see why people are ranking. So first off, you see that cleaning services Coquitlam, right? Bam, right there. Service plus location. Okay, house cleaning service Coquitlam. Two times already, just within the first couple of seconds of landing into the page. So it gives a very clear indicator to that this is what the site is about. Okay, we got some nice contrast. So a lot of content as you see, right? Okay, so this is even just their Coquitlam subpage, right? Let's see. Well, this is even a national chain, so they have a individual location page right here. Okay, so now let's come over here. The backlink is 16,000 backlinks. That is massive, isn't it? That's a lot of backlinks. So, but you'll see what I mean. That by having backlinks, you will be able to rank. And let's take an even closer look at their traffic. They get traffic, insane amount of traffic, 14,000 people visiting on a monthly basis. So just imagine that on your site. And if you can even capture just 10% of that, how many more this will you get, right? Okay, so that's a little bit of an extreme case, but you see the points that I'm trying to illustrate there. Okay, so if not Aspen cleaning services, you have Life Made Easy. I hope this is a little better because that's a national chain, so it's an unfair competition. But the third thing I wanted to talk about is citations. So citations is what gets you up here. Okay, so people are lazy these days. They bring out their phone, they're going to search up the service, plumber near me, cleaning service, house cleaning near me, right? And they're going to find one with a decent amount of positive reviews, and bam, click on it. So this one you can definitely beat, right? Samantha's cleaning services. So how do you get up here? Now this is a very powerful and free tool available to everybody. You just need to know how to navigate it to get it ranked there. It's independent from your website. So even if your website sucks, or if you don't have a website, you can still rank. Okay, so that requires you get consistent reviews, and you want to do a weekly update on your Google Business profile, and also registering to as many business directories that you can find. That includes Yelp, Yellow Pages, all these business directories that you can find. So when Google gets a signal where this guy is ubiquitous, he's everywhere, all the business directories have his registration and people like them. We have consistent 40 plus reviews, 5-star reviews, and the owner's doing update. It's always adding new picture, new project. So I'm going to feature this guy because he is serious and he can provide good service. Okay, that's the story we want to tell Google. When you do that, you can get up here. My fastest record is 1.5 weeks to get a business up here. Okay, so before we wrap up, I just wanted to take a look at this other. Oh boy, I don't like this stuff. No, I don't feel lucky at all. So 2,000 backlinks. Okay, so this is the second ranking cleaning service in Coquitlam. All right, so this is gonna take time, but consistent effort always yield great results. Let's look at their monthly traffic. Boom, 1,250. And how much service and how much more business can you get, right? So Coquitlam is a bigger city. I mean, we can start small, even in just Maple Ridge or Pitt Meadows if you want. Like you can go one city at a time, right? Okay, so that's all I wanted to share on SEO today. If you have more questions, which I'm sure you might have, I just don't want to overwhelm anybody in this initial bird's eye view video, but I welcome more questions if you have any. Phone number is also 778-316-2239 if you'd like to discuss further. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a good day.